So, guys, I just got in the game of Among Us. Oh no! Oh, that's really annoying. I have to go and do another game. I hate it when it does that because you're like, yes, let's go, and then it just gets you into, and then you have to join another game. It's really annoying. Let's play this one. No, someone took my red skin. Oh, this is fast. Oh, that's really fast. Can someone start already? Let's put start. No, back. Systems. Start. Oh, that's start. Everyone's going to leave if we don't just start. And guys, if you can't hear me, the Hoover's on, so yeah, everyone's just going to leave if you don't start the game. There's 4 out of 4 people, let's just start. Come on, let's start. Come on, start. Why? Why not? Okay, they don't want to start, so I'm gonna leave game and then find another one. This will probably already start yet. 3 out of 13, let's play that one. Yes, finally, I have a skin that's not nicked. I don't want to wear that, so that's quite annoying on the screen. So, no, it looks better, I'm gonna put on, okay, that looks like a bit like James Bond now. Oh, this is really slow, can someone turn up the speed? Yeah, so basically, they're gonna have to turn up the speed and start. Because you can start, we've got 7 out of 13. I'm gonna put start in the chat. Start. There we are, start. And I couldn't have an account, so I can't actually type it in, so I just have to go on the that and then press it. So we got 13 out of 13, now start. Someone please start it. Put in chat again, start. Let's start, or some people are gonna leave. Some people are gonna leave if you don't start. Yeah, everyone's saying start. Come on, let's start. Can someone just start this game? Leader start, okay? We're just waiting here, and some people are gonna leave. Start. Oh my god, this is just so annoying, just waiting for them to press start. Okay, just press start. Oh my god. It's not that hard just to press start. Just like press start. It's not that hard, people. Yeah, people are gonna start leaving. Now you've got 12 out of 13 people. Great job. Yeah, great job. Just start. Yeah, start. Someone start. Start. Oh my god, start. Oh yeah, start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm sorry that you have to waiting just for them to press start. And like, people have probably already left the video because I'm just arguing about start. Okay, this might take forever just to see who I am. Oh, I'm a crewmate. Well, that's just annoying, crewmate. Do your tasks. Okay, I'll just go ahead and do my tasks. As always, I go and check in here. Oh, yeah, I can do this one. Emergency meeting already. You're gonna waste your meetings. No dead bodies found, and there's no dead bodies. So what's the point of doing that? I have literally no idea who this is. I'm just gonna vote someone random. I don't know who's talking. I actually don't know who it is. If people vote me, I don't know who it is. Come on. Medbay. No one even killed anyone. Yeah, someone's gonna leave. Voting ends in 75 seconds. No, I don't think anyone's gonna click on you, by the way. We just need 3 more people to do it, otherwise it's gonna be a really long game. It's gonna be really long, sorry. It's really long, honestly. Let's just wait. It's been forever. Okay. Yeah, look. People have already started leaving. We just need 2 more people to vote. The other person just vote. Oh, this is really annoying. Oh, here we are. Someone didn't vote me. That's actually quite weird. Okay. Who's voted off? Let's see if he's an imposter. No one was ejected. Tie. No, there was only one person who was a 2, so I don't get why they said tie. So that's just a bit weird. Did you do it? No. I feel like he's not. He's not the imposter, is he? I'm gonna check on the camera. Oh, I'm not just down. I knew that was. I knew it. So that will wrap it up for this video today. So I know you didn't get to see me playing much. It's just this emergency meetings. So see you all later. Bye.